So my name is Tiffany Johnston, and I'm a master's student in the Anatomy and Cell Biology program, Biological Research, here at Western University. So I came here because, well, I did my undergrad here, and so I had some exposure to research in my fourth year doing a fourth year thesis project. I really liked the research that Western had to offer and the environment that the grad school I got exposed to it in my fourth year. As well, Western has a lot of extracurriculars that you're able to be involved in, and I really like how, although it is a big campus, it feels like a tight-knit community. So my research focuses on ovarian cancer, since I'm in an ovarian cancer research lab. The lab as a whole focuses on looking at metabolic changes that occur within ovarian cancer cells. And so I look at targeting the process of autophagy, which we've found that is activated in ovarian cancer cells. I target it with small molecule inhibitors and then test the efficacy of these inhibitors in combination with chemotherapy. The lab I'm in is very collaborative, so I can talk to a lot of my colleagues and peers and we can bounce ideas off of each other, and that's really helpful, especially when you're troubleshooting. The second part is specific to the program. So the courses that we're required to take, the first of them being a course that requires us to give presentation and build upon our presentation skills. That's very important for research because you need to be able to present your data in a way that's meaningful. And then the second part is another course that introduces us to a lot of the faculty members, so we get to interact with them and know what other research is going on within the department as well. I think the best thing about being a Western graduate student, in particular with this department, is that it feels very tight-knit. So I have a class of about 12 other of my peers, and we're able to get to know each other's research really well through those courses that I described earlier. And this is really nice because someone in the course may be working on something similar to you or doing a similar experiment. So from there you can troubleshoot together, you may be able to borrow reagents off of them, and really getting to know them on a personal level, but then on a science level as well. The best piece of advice that I could give is probably to find a lab or a project that you're very interested in. In graduate school, your goal is to really become an expert in that niche field. So if you're going to be spending your entire time researching or learning about something very, very specific, you need to be excited about it. So being excited about it is just going to make it easier.